Hey YouTube, and welcome to Silent Code Dev. Welcome to day 7 of becoming a front-end developer from zero. If this is your first time watching this video or my channel, it's a series I'm doing where I'll be working towards becoming a front-end developer every day, right? No matter what I'm going through. I don't care about the views, I don't care about subscribers, I don't care about anything but myself. So I'm uploading videos and I'm just trying to do it every day, right? No matter what I'm going through. And I'm going through a lot right now, guys. I'm going through a lot. So the struggle is real, but I really have a goal and I want to do this. So as I said, day 7. And last video, we struggled with creating the nav bar. I mean, not nav, but the hamburger menu. So I've decided to remove because I used a pseudo element to do this. So I've decided to remove it. I'm gonna try to use the because now I have the display block. I don't think I need that. I don't need this. And let's just, because now I need to okay, where is it? It is here, but I have an issue because I'm like, okay, so there are 3 things right now, right? And this thing is not visible at all. I don't know why. Position. Okay, we don't need to position how to do that. Yes. There we go. And I want to give it a width of 100%. I don't know why it's not So yeah, pseudo element seems to be messing up my thing. As you guys can see. But why do we have this one? Is it because of something's blocking? Let's see. Why? Yeah. But yeah, either way, guys, we have this position absolute and position. Maybe we should put position relative to the header, because we want to position it under the header, right? So we're gonna do bottom. Okay, let's see top. Look at that. 30. Okay. So we can say 50. I'm gonna try to get it like exactly as it should be. So okay, let's do 48. So I think that looks good, guys, but we have an issue though. It's not spanning all the way. I don't know why it's not doing that. Why is it not spanning all the way? I don't get it. Oh, it's the width, I think. And it's the width because it's alignment here, and I think I have the width applied somewhere. No. Okay, I know for sure it's the width, but I'm not able to. Let's see, width. So let's go from the top. So we have width here. This is the logo. And or is it padding? I'm not sure. Oh, it's the padding, of course. Yeah. So we need to remove the padding. This one. Oh, sorry guys, my mind is not right. So obviously it's a nav, and we need to apply it to. Let's see. I mean, it's in the nav, right? But we want to. I don't know if I put this outside, it's gonna be. I mean, it's gonna work, but I'm thinking of like the semantic. Is that semantically correct? Like to put UL outside of nav? I mean, it can. I don't know. But I mean, it works. So shoot. Okay, guys. So we got it to work like that, and let me see. So we gotta center things. Okay. So yeah, it didn't work with pseudo elements, but it worked with div. So I gotta study that later. Like, why did that work? So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna study the Helvetica. So we're just gonna use pop-ins there. So I'm gonna go to global styling, and I'm gonna go here. Yeah, I'm just gonna create navbar section. And also I forgot to take the time. Last time but I'm just gonna do a little bit, and then we're gonna see later, I guess. Okay, so we're gonna remove this, and we're gonna say font family pop-ins. So like that. See, boom. And we're gonna go back here, and we are gonna. I mean, we can just do it here too. Text decoration. None. Oh. How do I get rid of the? I mean, maybe I have to target it. Because it is text decoration, right? There we go. Okay. And we're gonna align this, so I mean, we need display flex either way. So display flex, but this is kind of wrong, so we're just gonna do it. I'm gonna figure out later, man. Okay. And it has this has a fixed width, right? So we're gonna say 24. So we can just go ahead and say 24 pixels. So that's 2 point, I mean that's 1.5 rem. So font size 1.5 rem, and font way bold. Is that too bold? Yeah, we need like I would say like 600. That looks good. And the gap 44. 44 pixels. Yeah, and the height, I mean, we have to follow the design. So height is 893. Don't ask me why, but 893. and from the top it's like 80 pixels. So we're gonna say we can do padding top because it's spacing 80 pixels like that. Okay, so starting to look good. We got it going, right? But we also need to so I don't know if it's supposed to cover like that. I think that's the point, because otherwise why do you have this? You can just, if it was here, you can just click this, right? So I think it's supposed to be like this. So we're gonna do that, and yeah, okay, yeah, whatever, man. Okay, let's do that. So so I'm gonna move this like on the top, so I can just say like, we have to position it absolute to, yeah, the header. So top 0, left 0. Yeah, it looks a bit weird, but that's what this design says. So we're gonna look for X. Yeah, once we've done this, things are gonna go faster, I guess. Close, something like that. I always get tempted to get something fancy, but then I'm like, yeah, just get something simple, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, we're gonna make this white, and just gonna copy SVG. So we're gonna put it here. Oh, look at that, guys! Wow. And we're gonna just call it close. Close button. I'm only gonna put it in the homepage CSS because this is gonna be in the so we need to do we should have done the entire hamburger in the style because it's going to be applied to all of it, but I'm going to do that later, I guess, because now it's just like doing it. At least I have like the navigation bar, so I have like, yeah. So we're gonna do this button. We want to do the same. Like that. And so let's try to, we need to position absolute 16 and yeah, something like that. So what we're gonna do, guys, is that we are gonna take it out of these. So we're gonna say position absolute, and relative to this. So top 0 and right 0. And padding. We can just say margin, man, because we want to space outside. So margin right 16 pixels. Margin something like that. Okay, so we got this perfect, but now we need to move this thing. I don't know why that didn't work. Position. Why do we have position? Oh yeah, position. Oh yeah, okay. We can't have position there. So, but it worked though. Okay. All right. So now we need to use JavaScript for this. All right. But I don't know. Is it for mobile? Yeah, it makes sense. Okay. Alright guys, let's use JavaScript. I don't remember, like right now my JavaScript is so rusty, so I don't really know what I'm gonna be doing. I mean, I know roughly, but let's see. I'm talking too much, guys. I'm talking too much. Alright, so let's get this ID, close button, and hamburger. Okay, so we're gonna import those into the here. So const hamburger button document get element hamburger button. Const close button get element ID close. So, and then we're gonna do, so I don't know if we can use toggle. I need to think. Toggle is when you click it, right? Every time you click it, it's gonna happen. But we need to, let's just try something, right? So we need to have functions here. Functions. So function. So whenever we click the close button, we want to remove. Yeah, but that doesn't make sense. So we need to have like a secondary UI because yeah, we want to remove the this entire thing, right? Nav links, we want to remove that. So we need to get the because I want to remove the entire UI, I mean UL, right? That's going to contain all of this, including the background, which is the UI. So why do I keep saying UI? I mean UL. So we're going to do nav links. And so when we click this, we are going to remove the entire nav links. And we're going to do that by adding display block. So UL hamburger menu. So yeah, because when we click the button, we're gonna fire off this function, which is going to hamburger menu display. I don't remember. Style.display none. Close. Oh my god, my keyboard button is literally falling off. Oh, this is, I hate this, man. I really hate this. Because, I mean, every time, bro. Okay. So I don't know if I add event. Am I doing this correctly? This. No. I need to read, guys. Sorry. You don't have any JavaScript? Add event. Oh my god, man. I'm so sorry, guys. My event listener. So we need to find a type. Is it like click? What types do we have? I mean, okay, click is a thing, and then we have the function. So my keyboard is really screwed up. Okay. So click, we're gonna listen for a click event, and I mean, that's the name of the function, right? But let's just test it out. So we're gonna do E. Oh, we don't need to have E. Console log test. It's just a function. So if I click this right now, we should have. Okay, so that's, I mean, oh my god, I'm so dumb, bro. I need to connect my JavaScript to the document, I mean the HTML document. Alright, let's see if we get something. So we already have an error here. Yeah, already been cleared, so I don't know why I did that. Function. This is a really poor name, but you know, just testing. So okay, so it's working. So but yeah, this is not working. Because we haven't added the function. Okay, let me just. Yeah, I mean, I changed the name, right? No, I didn't. Ooh, it worked. Okay, so it's actually style display. I thought it was display, but it's actually style because we want to enter the JavaScript. Wow, guys. Okay, so we have that. And then when I click this one, so we need to have another function here. We want to show it. Alright, so we can just like burger button. And yeah, this is horrible JavaScript, guys. But Right now I just want to make it work, but I know this is horrible JavaScript because it just looks so clumsy and just like, you know, add event listener, click hamburger, no, hamburger. Okay, so let's test it out. Oh my god. Yeah, like what the hell? This is happening because yeah. Why is that happening? That's happening because we play. Oh, we had because we have flex, right? So we should say flex here. So if I do this, so look at that, guys. Obviously, we can just add like a. Yeah, we can make it like more smooth. I don't know if I can do that. Can I do that? Transition. Is in. Yeah, I don't know. I don't really know this. And yeah, I don't know how to do it. Well, I can look it up. Transition. Okay, so transition. There. Nope. Okay, so transition is the shorthand. It's the shorthand, but you need to have 1, 2, 3. So you need to have like some kind of property. So we're gonna do. Okay, let's just test this. Yeah, because it's just click, right? Like when I click it. Yeah, let's just do this. Why is it always like? See, I'm just testing it out, guys. See if maybe I need to. No, 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 no. yeah, I'm gonna look it later, you know. But yeah, guys, we got it to work. First time using JavaScript like this, so I think we're done with this section. I mean, we're not done. I have to do the. Oh my god, I'm so sorry, guys. Okay, let's do the easy part now. So let's just start from the. Okay. So I'm just gonna scale it out. So upon scaling, immediately we don't want to hide it, but we want to like change some things. So let's go ahead and do that. So yeah, we can fix this. Right now it just looks horrible, but yeah, let's just get started, guys. So we're gonna start with this 53. So we need to. So this is mobile, and then we're gonna have. I'm just gonna copy this. So yeah, minimum width. Probably gonna cause a bug. I don't know. So we're gonna start with the. I like to just copy like this. So because they're pretty identical. So yeah, this one has like 53, so we can do 53 divided by 16. 3.3. 3.3. Look at that. And then we're gonna do, it's a bit bold, I guess. So we're gonna do, wait, 6. Yes, yes, and yes. Perfect. Sweet. Okay, guys, and obviously we need to hide those. So hamburger, close button. Look at that. Yeah, here we need to transform the entire nav links, right? So nav links, display flex. Because here I am hiding it, right? Let me see. Yeah, we'll fix that later, right? Right now, I need to fix the image for sure. So the image is gonna have like a width of 1,490. I mean, it's gonna have a max width of that. So, but we need to have the header needs a. Let's see. Let's just find out. I'm just gonna assume it's like this. So 142. There we go. Yeah, I mean, we can just put this in the style. Because it's the same. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, we have a problem, right? Because it's too small for these. I don't know if we're gonna, and they give us like that, right? Like mobile should be. Yeah. But it doesn't hurt to have the width a bit higher, right? So we're gonna have it because we can have it on tablet too, right? So because it's like this is too. Like, how is it gonna work? Tablet. We need to have a bigger. Yeah. All right. I'm just kind of like thinking like what I gotta do. Let's just try to do this one first. And I'm just trying to see what I got here. I'm trying to see what I got. So we're gonna do the heroes section. I'm gonna copy this. We're gonna copy this. Okay, so here we want the hero image. Yeah, we can remove this. Just gonna hero. So we agree that the max width here is gonna be 1,492. Pixels. Okay, so at least that worked. Let's just do like that. Oh my god, guys, this looks horrible. We need to have a height to it too, I guess. So height. 800. Ah, that looks horrible. Okay. Yeah, I mean, yeah, the width is too big. Right? I can't control the height. If I do that, the reason it's like this is because it's trying to fit the image proportion, right? Like if you have a width, the image needs to be correct. I mean, the height needs to be correct for the image to display properly. So can we reduce the width maybe? No, that's too big. Yeah. Fuck. Yeah, I don't know. Something seems off what I'm doing. I mean, that's how it looks like, so. I'm just quite skeptical though, because this is too big. Way too big. So. Yeah, I mean, this is how it should be, but I don't know, guys. It's just something is off. I mean, this is the correct height, but the width is like screwing it up. So I don't know if I can like reduce it, because it's just not. Maybe I need to reduce the. Yeah, I'm trying to make it look nice, so. I'm trying to make it look nice without screwing it. Okay. So I'm pretty sure I wrapped the. So I don't know, guys. I mean. Oh my god, look at that. That doesn't look good. The way it's scaling doesn't look good to me. Yeah, but let's just do what I was given, and because I mean at least like that is scaling, right? And it's not gonna scale bigger than. Yeah, let's figure it out, okay? So we have the nav, blah blah blah. So we have the hero container, and inside we have 1, 2 things. So Sir? Oh. Did I forget something? That looks better. Okay, and then fix. Like so. Yeah, guys, something is off about the image. I don't know, man. So we need to fix the image for sure. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fix the, because it's way too big. So object. Yeah, guys, I mean, the thing is, like, it's not. I don't know. It's not really looking right. It's not looking right. The way it's scaling, I don't like it. Okay, so we need to like position, and we need to give this a width as well. 492. I mean 429. But it seems like it already have that, right? Yeah, it's basically that. So, okay. Let's do our best. Yeah, this can just go here. Flex section column. So the gap. The gap is probably different here. So, I mean, it's the same. So we can just have this. I mean, this needs to go here. And background color. Yeah, I mean, we want to. This we want to position, right? So I guess we can put that. I mean, the hero container. Yeah, okay. I'm trying to think like what to do because we need this thing, right? But we also need to position, so we can wrap this, put this in a div, so we preserve the small space that we need, and we can call this hero text. Position absolute. There we go. So that way we have this, and we also have this relative to the image, position relative. We can say left 50%. Sorry, right. Padding 88 pixels, so padding pixels. Doesn't want to work. Where do we get the background from? Yeah. There we go. There we go. And padding. Yeah, we need to expand the width, I guess. So max width 700. Yeah, I mean, why the fuck? Oh, it's the P. Yeah, but that's what we wanna do, right? Okay, the max width here. We don't want to do it in P. We'll do it in the container. Bro. I thought I had control, guys. I have no idea what I'm doing right now. This is bad. This is bad. This is bad. So top bottom, right? So I don't know, man. Is it because okay, so that works. Yeah, I mean, this is horrible, dude. How is this gonna work? We need to. Oh yeah. Let's see if I can. Oh my god, man. Yeah, I'm just trying to think, guys, right? Like, I mean, obviously the width of the entire thing. But I'm trying to, like... It seems like this is restricted. So, if I do, like... Yeah. So we need to have a fixed width. I'm gonna add that too. But this, man. All right, let me just remove this. And let me just think. So what am I doing? I think I'm tired. That's probably it. Yeah, okay, that works. So we just have that, but we're gonna have max width 429 pixels, so we can allow it to be responsive. Max width, so we can oh my god, what on earth? Yeah, I think I'm just gonna have it like that. So laptop is like this. This is tablet, and laptop it's gonna be whatever. Okay. So we have this. We're gonna add padding. So we need to add padding to this, right? The space inside here. So padding 24 pixels. Background color var Apple. We want to have that only on the and then we're gonna do text align. Yeah, when I do text align here, padding goes away. So I think I need to do it. Oh my god. Why does it go away when I do that? Oh my god, bro. Okay. But even the padding left is not like showing up. So maybe we need to do it in here. Yeah, it's 88 by the way. And then top bottom we want to be 24 pixels. Oh, maybe it's because of right and left, and that is giving us a problem. So let's do padding. So top 24 pixels, right 0 pixels, bottom 24 pixels, and on the left 88 pixels. There we go. So now I know the issue. The issue is because when I did padding top bottom 24 pixels and then left right I said 0. So that's why. So okay, we got that to work. And yeah, this is part of CSS, guys. You know what I'm saying? Text align left. So I guess we gotta add that to. Oh my god. So we're gonna remove wow, look at that, guys. We made it work. Boy, I'm telling you guys. Boy, I'm telling you guys. Okay, and also it's not centered. So we need to, how can I center this? I need to think. Because I want to center this thing, right? So the hair, this one. But we need to center an entire thing. So yeah, that's not what I'm trying to do. Yeah, it's not really. Yeah, but that's because I have position, right? Position absolute. Why do I have it on this hero text when I should have it on the hero text? Oh yeah, I was right. Top 50%. Yeah, but we're gonna fix it, right? I know something looks off. Oh yeah, of course. So I feel like this is hiding the. That's why. So it should be 50, and we need to do something with the flex. So it is already grid. So I'm just gonna go to. Yeah, here. So, I meant telling you guys, it's can be hard. So here we're just gonna do. We just need one row, right? So we need to like. So grid template. We want one column, and we want to have how many rows? One row, right? Of 4. Let me see. we don't want to have columns at all. We just want to have rows. What am I saying? So I think we should have 4 columns. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1 row. There we go. Yeah. Sometimes you gotta think, guys, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 columns, and then 1 row. Okay. And obviously we gotta fix the size, because the size is gonna be adjusted based on the scale, but we need to have max width on the images. So how do we target the images? Well, we have to do like this. Gotta do like these, like these, like these. So we're gonna do max width 70 pixels. And no gap. Where's the gap coming from, man? Yeah, I don't know where the gap is coming from. It shouldn't have gap. So why does it have a gap? Okay, anyways. What bothers me is the fact that it's not... I don't know, I don't get it. I don't get it, I don't get it. I mean, it's the right... It's doing the right thing, right? But we have... oh, maybe we need to do 0. Oh. Yeah, I don't know. And also it has space, so we gotta do like 81 pixels. So... 81. So this is one of these days, guys, I'm a bit tired actually. But I don't know why there's a gap. And also, you guys can see the image is not... It's not scaling. What the hell? I don't know what's going on. Let's see, let's just yeah, I mean, it's not responsive at all. Because it should get smaller. Oh, wait. Am I doing something wrong, guys? Oh, I am targeting the images. Right? I am doing that. Background in color red. Okay. Alright. So I'm targeting images. I don't know why it's not like... What are we doing wrong? What am I doing wrong? Did I just like... What? because now it's not listening to, it's not taking this into consideration. So I feel like I'm doing something wrong. Let me just see. See what's being applied here. Yeah, so this is, I mean, now it's scalable. So, what the fuck? Confused, guys. I'm confused. Because it shouldn't, like, the problem is, like, yeah, but if I go full screen, it's gonna be bigger than 470. Right? Like, it's not. Like, if I do. Yeah, so we don't want that, and that's why I have this. So yeah, it's listening, but okay. It's fucking weird, guys. Sorry about my language, but I don't know why it's not listening. It's weird. Hero text apartment. So if I remove this, what's gonna happen? Yeah, I mean, now it's responsive, which is weird. Like, it's not. So the only issue we're gonna have is if it goes to. Oh my god, come on, man. Okay, I think I fixed it. Because I don't want it to be like. Yeah, it's not gonna grow big anymore. Okay. Again, guys, this is what happens sometimes. Alright. So let's see. We've kind of fixed this. This is not like still properly, so yeah, we're just gonna gouge it because I know that. So we can do 36%. So it's the thing, guys, like it's bigger. You know, I don't know, object position. Object position bottom. I mean, we're getting this, but we need to put it a bit down. Can I like 70%, 30%, 20%? Okay, so I don't know what the hell this is, but it's like it's kind of working. So let's look at this object position. Because I saw this on V3 School. right? So I just want to know. Yeah, this one. So you have 80% and 100%. So what does that mean? So I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to explain this to me. Explain this to me. In CSS, the object position 50%, 100% property tells a browser exactly where to align an image or video within its container box. It is most commonly used alongside object fit cover to ensure the most important part of the image remains visible, right? So, okay, horizontal and vertical. So 15% horizontal moves the content to left side. The value of 0% is far left, 50% is center, and 100% is far right. Okay, so left to right. And the other one is top bottom. Very bottom to a container. Vertical pins the. Okay. Okay, guys. So with that, let's play around a little bit so we can like. So 100% is gonna be. No, that's like. So I don't even know if we need that. Oh, we do. Oh, what am I doing, bro? So if I say like 10, yeah, nothing happens here. So do I need like, I just need to move it top bottom. Yeah. But I feel like we need to have the image higher because okay, one. Okay, guys, let's see. And it's not like touching the image here, so is it this size? 42 pixels. It should be 42, yeah. Yeah. So this is the best I was able to do, guys. I mean, but when I do like, oh my god, I want to reset this. Okay, no one, but like, so I mean, this looks good. It looks kind of good. Yeah. The only thing is like on tablet it looks like that, so that should probably be on tablet. We could make it go like in the center or something like that. Yeah, guys, I'm not done. I gotta fix this. So how are we gonna fix that? So we need to like, let me just see. They just exist there. So obviously I need to target I just gotta see. I have links, I'm assuming, but I'm hiding that, right? So I need to target the LIs. Can I wrap them? Because I'm not hiding the LIs. I'm just hiding the... Let me see. Let us see. Let us see. Let us see. My links. I mean... Okay, so it is visible here. So, but why is it there? Maybe it's the nav we need to do something with. So, or the header. Yeah. I thought I did that. Oh no, I'm doing that. Oh, okay. So, yeah, I don't even have flex here. I don't need flex because I'm using flex here. That's how I decided to do it. So let's go with that. Space. And we're gonna add like padding. Yeah, let's delete this. 136. Okay. I mean, we have to define the max width though, which is gonna be so the max width is gonna be 100 and – 1,650. That looks better. That looks better. And then also we have the same thing for... But it's weird that they are not aligning though. Like, in my opinion, they should align. But they're not. So, I don't know. Okay guys, so I guess we have, let's just do this. 64. So 64 pixels. Obviously. Wait, did I have to do that? Because I know I already have that. So color black. We need to target the A. Yeah. So I'm gonna go back. And also hover. So border. it's not. Ah. Okay. Let's just say 16 pixels. Margin 16 pixels. Ooh, I feel like the border is too like. Yeah, we can't because we need to have like height. Percent. We don't have like height, I guess. Yeah, but it's something like that, right? Because it doesn't have anything. I think it's the li. I don't know. Because yeah, I would figure it out later, right? It's just like this is not being applied, I think. Yeah. I don't know. But either way, we have this. Could probably add like a transition or something, but I don't know, guys. I don't feel like it looks nice. Like it looks ugly, you know? Because when I looked initially, I was like, wow, this looks nice. You know, but when I started designing it, I'm like, it doesn't really look nice. It looks kind of like old ways of doing front end. So, and also I feel like this is way more than 400. It's actually 400. So I don't know. Yeah, this shouldn't. I don't know why gap is being applied to this. Like, why does it have a gap? I feel like the gap is coming from the max width. Let's like look at it because I have like max width. Let's test my theory. Oh, it's not. There's no bearing. So yeah, I don't know, guys, where the gap is coming from, but yeah, but I don't know, guys. I mean, it looks. Oh my god! I removed that. I removed the max width. I mean, I have it here actually. So if I do like 600. Oh, I was right. Okay, so we can just have. Okay. Yeah, I just want to get rid of it from my screen. I have a pretty large screen, so. Yeah, guys, I don't know. Something about this feels so messy. You know. Let me see. It just doesn't feel right. Can you guys feel that as well? Like it doesn't feel right. Something feels off with this. Is the maybe the width here is too large? But it's the same here, right? It's the same, man. And what kind of like okay, I have no idea what's going on. And yeah, if I show this to a recruiter, they would be like, what in the world? I mean, it's a good way to like practice your CSS skills, but what the hell, guys? This is like embarrassing too. Should have some space here. So I don't know if I can do that. Let me see. Padding, right? Margin. Maybe I can reduce the width because it's like. So yeah, guys, I don't know. It looks weird, strange, and but I'm gonna fix it later because I know that I'm doing something. I mean, that's how the design looks like, right? Like, am I tripping, guys? I know I don't have it 100% perfect, but that's how the design looks like. So, and like I told you guys, like it initially looks nice, but when I actually design it, I'm starting to go like, what the actual F? Yeah, and also we need to fix that. So I don't know. I gotta probably flip them under or something. But we're gonna fix that, guys, right? That's the whole point of this. So now we need to do something here. And we're gonna do that in the next video. This is gonna be a big, oh my god. I underestimated the work of this. Maybe I did. I did. But yeah, whatever, man. This is a good practice. So I'm gonna call it a day here, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If anyone's watching this, if you're watching this, you're like OG. You're watching a future developer, hopefully, in the grind, in the guts of a whale. Struggling, bro. I'm struggling. I'm striving. I'm joking. Okay, guys, I'm joking. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna sign off right now, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.